Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'll show you how to make a transparent PNG overlay in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC or Mac. Click on the import button and add your video or image. Then, drag the overlay file onto your timeline, placing it above the main video. Then, click on the overlay to select it. Now, on the right panel, go to Remove BG, then Chroma Key. Then, click on Color Picker and select the background color. Increase the intensity slider until the background is fully removed. Click the overlay and use the handles to resize it. Move it around to place it exactly where you want on the screen. And this is how it looks like. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.